YouTube channel. If you are new here, then I'm so happy to meet you. So feels like it's been a long time since I've sat on my bed and spoken to you guys, and I've missed it. I feel like this is me, you know. I feel like this is like my happy place. I'm talking to you guys. Life is good. Life is good. So how is everyone? I hope you're all well. There is about 100 particles of dust flying around me right now, and it's kind of distracting. So as Mother's Day is just over a week away, I thought it'd be a cute idea to put together a cute, affordable, last minute Mother's Day gift idea video. I don't know about you, but Mother's Day is always that occasion that kind of comes out of nowhere and completely creeps up on you. This video gives you some gift ideas. Well, that's called gift idea video, Gemma, so you hope so. So before we get into today's video, I can't speak today. But if you haven't already, pause the video, go grab yourselves a cup of tea, get some snacks and get comfy. So, the first gift in today's video is the indulgence box from Sanctuary. I have been a huge fan of Sanctuary Spa for so long. I remember years and years ago, me and Sophie used to have like little pamper nights. We'd go into Boots, we'd get like, I think there was like a hot polish cleanser. Oh my god, we used to love that so much. And we used to get home, we used to light one of the little Sanctuary candles, and we used to make like one of our own little spa nights. I really love Sanctuary Spa products, and I'm super excited that they've brought out a Mother's Day gift box because I know my mum is gonna absolutely love this. This is Sanctuary's main Mother's Day gift box this year. It's currently more than half price. So it was £41.50, but it's now £20. You can purchase this in store in Boots and online, but I'm going to leave a direct link to this as always in the description box below. I think all of our mums, or if you are a mum, you'll be able to appreciate that it's nice to take a little bit of time for ourselves, and I feel like sometimes mums need that little bit of an extra push to be like, mum, you know, have a bath, have a little bit of time for yourself. I feel like this would be the perfect gift just to give your mum and be like, do you know what, mum, take the day off today, go upstairs, have a pamper. So in the box, these are full-size products. So for £20, you get 5 full-size products, which I think is incredible. So you get a body scrub, a bath liquid, a body butter, a hand cream, and a body wash. I love the packaging. I think rose gold is just absolutely everything. I think these would look so cute like on the side of the bath as well. I really want to give this a sniff test to tell you guys like what it smells like, but I need to take one of these out really carefully because this is my mum's present. Look how gorgeous this bath liquid is. Oh, I want it for me. Can I give it to my mum and then be like, hey mum, I'm just gonna use some of your bath liquid, hun. Sanctuary has just got that smell about it that just makes you feel, this sounds really silly, but it makes you feel relaxed. Like it's that really relaxing scent that like, you feel like you're in a spa. Like, I'm not in my bedroom, I'm in a spa. Do you know what I mean though? It's like really like comforting, relaxing smell. So, oh, I just sellotape this under my nose for the foreseeable future. Amazing value for money. 5 full-size products for £20. You can't really go wrong. Even if you don't want to get it for your mum and you just want to get it for you, I would take full advantage of that price. So like I said, gonna leave a link to this in the description box below. I would be fast with this. Like I wouldn't sit and think about it. I would purchase it soon because anything that's good value for money goes really, really quickly. So if you are interested, I'd say buy it ASAP Rocky. My next gift idea, whilst we're talking about like spas and being relaxed and taking a little bit of more time for yourself, I think creating like an at-home spa would be such a nice gift. So I was thinking maybe in your mum's card you could like create like a little homemade voucher. You could like set up the living room so it's like really relaxing. You could get some candles going. You could get some spa music on YouTube. You could get your mum's favourite film, get in the snacks, maybe get some wine and just spend some quality time together, you and your mum, get some face masks. Spa days are quite expensive to go on, and also if your gift is a little bit last minute, I feel like this would be perfect. You could even go a little bit extra and get your mum like a new dressing gown and some new slippers. I just feel like it would be a really thoughtful, affordable, cute thing to do for your mum. You know, you could have like a spa afternoon or a spa morning. You could even get some of those, you know, those foot spas. You can get those really, really cheap. I think you can pick them up from like Argos for like £10 or something. You could get one of them, watch a film whilst you have a little foot spa. You could give your mum a little pedicure or a manicure. I just think being a little bit thoughtful goes a long way. Mums love that kind of stuff. I know my mum would much prefer me to put thought into a present than just buy her something. Next gift idea, I'm so excited about this. If you guys have watched me for a while, you will know I'm very lucky to have a best friend that makes chocolate. I mean, if that isn't best friend goals, I'm not quite sure what is. In one of my Christmas gift guide videos, I showed you guys a slab of chocolate that Tiffany made, and it had the Grinch on it, and you went absolutely crazy for it. It was amazing, so thank you guys so much for that. But she doesn't just do Christmas, she does Mother's Day gifts too. So this is the Mother's Day slab that Tiff is currently offering. Not sure how much of that the camera is actually picking up. I'm going to insert a picture of it as well. What you can do with these slabs is you can personalise the chocolate that's on them. So if your mum has got a particular chocolate that she loves, for example, on this slab we've got some Gillian seashells and some Galaxy. We've got some white chocolate buttons. What I will say is there is very, very, very limited stock on these. Get on Chunky Dunk Chocks and order it now, because I don't want you guys to miss out. And you know, Tiffany's got to make all of these orders and get them sent out to you, so please, please, please be quick. Also, keep an eye on her Instagram page, because she has got loads of incredible Easter chocolate coming up. You know, if you've got kids and you want to buy them something a little bit different, or you want to treat your boyfriend or girlfriend or friends, then definitely have a look. I am obsessed with Tiff's chocolate, and I'm so proud. Like, when I see something like this and I'm like, she's made that, I'm very, very proud of her. And it also has taken every part of me not to eat that. It's been sat in my cupboard for a while, and I've had to have a lot of willpower, okay? One of my absolute favourite gifts to get anybody is a personalised hamper. I think these just, they're so thoughtful, and they're really easy to do. You can make them as, you can kind of make them as affordable or as luxury as you want, because you choose what goes in them. If I receive something like that, like, I would be actually blown away, because a lot of thought goes into them. So I've got a few different kind of hamper ideas. You could do a general hamper, so you could grab a basket. You can get really nice ones from Dunelm, or you can get them from any kind of, like, you know, like hobby shops, like Hobbycraft and places like that. Also, B&M and Wilko do like a whole set. So in your set you get a basket, your cellophane and your ribbon for £5, so keep an eye out for those. But basically what you could do is you could make a list of all of her favourite things. So her favourite food, her favourite drink, maybe her favourite tea. Maybe you could put a new mug in there or a new glass in there for her wine or tea or something like that. You could get her favourite movie. Just really have a think of all of your mum's favourite things and include them in that hamper, and I promise you, she will be blown away. Like, I feel like it's very touching when anyone like knows a lot about you. Does that make sense? Like, I know when someone remembers something that's personal about me, I'm always like, ah, you actually remembered that. So I think that's such a nice gift to give somebody. Just on kind of like talking about hampers, I thought you could do more specific type hampers. So again, you could do a pamper hamper. So you could include a new dressing gown, new slippers, a face mask, a new bubble bath, some new candles to use in the bath, maybe a new face cream. You know, you can really put as much as you want into it or as little as you want into it. You could kind of stay affordable and give yourself maybe a £20 budget, or you could kind of go all out. If you and your like siblings want to do it together, you could all put like £20 in and do like a really amazing luxury hamper, and maybe get like her favourite perfume or her favourite expensive face cream that she's running out of or something like that. So another like DIY gift, which I actually made for my mum a few years ago, is a thank you jar. So I bought a really pretty jar, I think it was from HomeSense, and it was about £10. And then I got a few different coloured bits of cardboard and I cut them all up, and I think I wrote about 20 things that I'm just so thankful for, and I folded them all up and put them in the jar, and she absolutely loved it. You could also chuck in a few of her favourite like chocolates or something to the jar to like fill it out a little bit, make it look a little bit prettier. But I think Mother's Day for me, it's not about spending a lot of money, it's not about extravagant gifts, it's more about being thoughtful and just really making your mum feel special and just showing her how much she means to you. And I feel like something like that really does go a long way. So on mine, I just wrote a load of real personal things like thank you for helping me this time, and like thank you for just always being so supportive and just being one of the most special people in my life, basically. So you could do a little thank you jar for your mum. And also another idea that's kind of related to that is you could make some mum tokens. Now I think I saw some of these in Sainsbury's. There was like a little pot called mum tokens, but you could make your own. So again, you could get a little jar or a little box, and you could write a load of things on there that you could do for your mum. So when she wants to give you a mum token, you've got to do whatever's on that token. Does that make sense? I hope it does. It makes sense in my head, but a lot of things make sense in my head, and then I say it out loud and it's like verbal vomit, basically. So on the little mum tokens, you could put dinners on me tonight, or I'll cook tonight, or I'll wash up tonight, or I'll do the washing, or just something nice that you could do for your mum that she could exchange at any time. Another one of my absolute favourite gifts to give, I've got such great descriptive words, is a memory book. I love making memory books. I have made so many memory books. I just think they make me feel like a little bit emotional. Is that silly? Oh God, Gemma. Oh dear. We've got a crier. I don't know why I feel emotional at that. I think it's just, I don't know. Pull yourself together, woman. So what you could do is you could pick up a photo album. You can get them from pretty much any like supermarkets or like WH Smith's or places like that. Empty photo album, and you fill it with all your favourite memories. Old memories, new memories, special memories. Mums have usually got a load of old photos kicking about. Like I know my mum has got the most embarrassing pictures of me in the entire universe. Dig a few of those out and put them in the memory book, and then you could caption them with something like really thoughtful about what you remember about that picture. Pinterest is an amazing place for ideas in memory books. If you type into Pinterest like Mother's Day memory books, it will give you so much inspiration. That's pretty much where I get my inspiration about everything from. Pinterest is one of my favourite apps ever. So if you have a look on Pinterest, you will be able to find some really thoughtful things that you could get your mum. And then the last gift ideas I have are just your easy, almost a little bit generic gifts, which I feel like, again, you can't go wrong with. So a bouquet of flowers. My mum loves a bouquet of flowers. You know, if it's a little bit last minute and you don't really know what to get, a bouquet of flowers always goes down an absolute treat. I also think a new mug. I bloody love a new mug. I love a new mug to drink my tea out of. So I feel like in supermarkets, I know Sainsbury's have got some amazing Mother's Day stuff in this year. And if she does love her tea or coffee, you could also like grab her a box of her favourite tea bags. God, imagine that. Here you are, mum, here's your Mother's Day present, box of bloody tea bags. Do you know what I mean? Like, I feel like a little combined present. Like, you could get a gift bag and get a mug, get some of her favourite biscuits, some of her favourite tea bags. I feel like Mother's Day is all about being thoughtful. So as long as like you know all of her favourite things, you can't go wrong. How many times have I said you can't go wrong in this video? It's actually a little bit of a joke. That is the end of today's video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it. Don't forget, on Sunday I've got my Primark haul. So excited to show you what I bought because they had so much nice stuff. Pretty sure I say that every time I do a Primark haul, but they had so much nice stuff. Got some really exciting series coming to my channel, so I can't wait to share that with you. I understand that Mother's Day can be a particularly hard time for some people, so I just wanted to send you all the love in the world. You are so strong. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in Sunday's video. Bye!
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you